people are always asking about ways to add in more vegetables to their diet. So this Thai-inspired spring roll is a fabulous way to get in a rainbow of colors. I'm going to start by making the sauce first, and then I've got some rice noodles I'm going to cook off, and then we'll put them together. So the sauce is peanut butter, and if you don't like peanut butter, you can use any other nut butter that you like. So almond butter, it would work as well, and you could probably use tahini for a nice sesame flavor if you would like. I do have a tamari, a lower sodium tamari, so this is appropriate for gluten-free, or you can use a reduced sodium soy sauce, because all about the heart health and cutting back on the salt. I have a teeny bit of sesame oil. Sesame oil is a very strong flavor, so start small, and you can always add a little bit more, but of course you can't take it out once you put it in. So I've got that, some fresh squeezed ginger, so you can grate your own ginger, or you can buy the little tubes of ginger that comes ready to be squeezed, and it's as good as the fresh. Okay. And I've got a garlic clove that I'm going to mince up here very quickly. There we go, that's perfect. You can also use minced garlic if you'd like. I just like that freshness of the garlic there with that. I do have a little sweetness in here, so you can use honey or agave nectar, your choice with that. So I've added the water to thin it out, and just before I get it quite where I want it, I need to remember to put in the lime juice, because that's going to give it just this awesome tang and zip. So I'm going to put in the juice of one whole lime. I do like it a little spicy, so we're going to put in a sprinkle of the red pepper flakes, just a few. Okay, and now the rice noodles. So these are just going to be dumped in hot water, and that should take just a minute to cook. All right, so I have the rice noodles dumped in the water, and they are ready to go. And I'm going to take those out, and I'm going to chill these. All right, so I've got some chilled noodles here that we're going to use in our spring rolls, and then this is where the magic happens. So I have a spring roll rice paper wrapper. They're made out of tapioca, and what you do is you take this very firm wrapper and you pop it into warm water for just a minute. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute, and you feel it until it just starts to feel a little soft here. You can still see the pattern in it as well, so give it just a minute. It'll start to get a little wrinkly, almost like it's going to turn into tissue paper, and there we go. And then you lay that down where it pretty much disappears. Now you get to pick what you want on it. So start with a little handful of noodles in there. I've got a little leafy green lettuce, some shredded cabbage, all of these things so loaded with vitamins and minerals, fiber, really heart healthy here. Carrots, already shredded carrots. I have an English cucumber that I seeded and sliced up, and a little bit of a red pepper right here as well. And of course you can use what other colors you want. Now you gotta work quickly on this. So you're gonna fold it and tuck this towards you as you fold it. Flip the end over, and roll. And here you have a beautiful spring roll. You're gonna serve that with a little of that dipping sauce. Enjoy.